This message was transmitted by the request of the Seattle Police Department. A lion with a black mane was spotted roaming around the streets of Seattle. All residents of Seattle must away from this lion. If you see this lion, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. Stay tuned for any updates on this situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the Seattle Police Department. An Amber Alert was issued for Seattle Police. The Seattle Police are looking for 4 children were abducted from their homes in Seattle. The first child's name is Amy Miller, aged 5 and 7 feet tall. She was last seen wearing a pink shirt, black pants, and red shoes. The second child is Billy Jackson, aged 6 and 8 feet tall. He was last seen wearing a green shirt with a tiger on it, black pants, and yellow shoes. The third child is Nina Claire, age 7 and 9 feet tall. She was last seen wearing a flower shirt, white dress and pink flip-flops. And the fourth child is Alan James, age 15 and 14 feet tall. He was last seen wearing a red shirt, blue pants, and black shoes. All of the 4 children were abducted by the lion with the black mane. Police got information about this lion. The lion's name is Scar, but people call him Scar E.X.E. He is a large lion from the movie, The Lion King. If you see Scar E.X.E. or the 4 children, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. Stay tuned for any updates on this situation.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the United States News. I'm Paul Dickinson, and we have some breaking news that the lion with the black mane known as Scar E.X.E. is on a rampage in Seattle. The 4 children are found safe in the A-Game store. All residents of Seattle must stay away from Scar E.X.E. If you see him, call 911 immediately. That's all I have for now. This is Paul Dickinson, signing off.
This message was transmitted by the request of the Seattle Police Department. Scar E.X.E. has released a gas from gas station. All residents of Seattle must stay in your homes for the day. I repeat, stay in your homes for the day. If you go outside, you will get sick. The disease is coughing, sneezing, sickness, bleeding from the eyes and the nose, and even death. The police are on their way to stop this lion. Stay tuned for any updates on this situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Scar E.X.E. has released zombie lions all around the United States. These zombie lions can attack anyone at their sight. All residents of Seattle must stay in your shelters immediately. If you see a zombie lion, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous and life-threatening situation.
Welcome back to the United States News. I'm Paul Dickinson, and we have some breaking news that E.X.E has spawned more zombies all around the United States. These zombie lions can attack anyone in their sight. All residents of the United States must stay in your shelters immediately. If you see one of the zombie lions, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. That's all I have for now. This is Paul Dickinson, signing off.
This message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. We have some good news. The zombie lions have been killed. They were killed by the military. They used a bomb on all of them. Now that all left is E.X.E. Stay tuned for any updates on the situation. We have interrupted our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. We have interrupted your regular programming to give you this civil emergency. This is a national emergency. All broadcast or cable systems should transmitted this message. The following message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. A report was given that E.X.E has launched missiles towards the military. E.X.E got mad after the military had killed all of the zombie lions around the United States. E.X.E also spawned black lions all around the United States. Do not approach these black lions. These lions can kill you, meaning they have sharp teeth, sharp claws, and black eyes. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. All clear. I repeat, all clear. E.X.E and the Black Lions are all defeated by the military. All residents of the United States, you can get out of your shelters. However, it will take a time to repair the damage that E.X.E, Black Lions, and zombie lions caused. Normal programming will now resume.